So if we pop into the chart, this is just to give you an idea of where the price movement is going to go. So we're looking for that wave 3. Now we've already pushed to the 138.2, which is at 90 cents. So that can end the 3, pull back into 4. But either way, I do think we're looking to push up to that $1 mark. And if we do, like if we do it right now, then that will complete the wave 3, but the wave 3 can end here. So once we complete that 5 waves, it completes that larger wave 3. And of course, our largest wave count off of this pullback low at 25 cents is all the way up here at about $1.88. So that's what we're looking at in the short term. We have that beautiful inverse head and shoulders, beautiful bullish cross. Look at that massive, massive spike in price action. We'd love to see it for our friend SPX. Weekly chart, we probably can't see too much with the EMAs. Well, you can see the 20, the yellow line, so we're back above the 20. That's a good sign. So as the weeks go on in the bull run, the 50 EMA, the 50-week moving average will start to show, and that will give us a better idea of where the price action is going to go. But in the short term, we're back above those daily EMAs. We've had the bullish cross. Things are looking really good. We're looking to push up to $1.04. As I mentioned, my price target for SPX is $50, and I think it's very conservative with the amount of interest. I think there is a possibility of $75 to $100 a coin. But my conservative prediction is $50 or above. Basically, that's what I'm looking at for SPX. So in the short term, we're looking for $1. If we do start to pull back from here, then what you'll see is a little bit of pullback in a wave 4 before continuation up in the wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3. All right, gang, but that $1 mark will act as resistance, I'm sure, and getting back above it will be very exciting. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitonix. No KYC, no VPN, no strings attached. Takes 30 seconds of your time. Just sign up, send me email, that's it, and I'll send you the link for my private Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX. My trade signals, we are in a trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, as well as I'm posting news. One of my members is posting news all the time. All links down below. Make sure to check out those top links in the comments. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.